The time period of a simple pendulum is given by this formula, T equals 2 pi root L by G. So mass doesn't have any role to play. Okay, so whether we increase the mass, we decrease the mass, whatever, doesn't have any role to play. Okay, but yes, the length. So length is changed. So now the new T, the new time period is going to be 2 pi root over, it's made half of its original length, so L by 2 divided by G, so which is T divided by root 2. So then the new time period is x by 2 times its original time period. So so T new is T by root 2, so it's 1 by root 2 times its original time period. So 1 by root 2 is x by 2, so therefore x becomes root 2. So therefore the answer is